got Eric with me today. See if we can catch maybe some snook, some bass.
Dude, get him in here, up here. Wait for.
What do you think, Eric? You gonna make it happen or what?
I think I should have brought my own rod.
Dude, I got rods for days. Just ask about me.
Which one are you using?
I don't know yet. All right, we'll see what we can make happen here. We're getting ready to get barked at. Just go right here. Give a little cast up into the corner there. Good cast, dude. Just take your time. Dude, you got a fish. Get him. Dude, bring him in. Easy, easy. Get him up on the bank. Bring him in, up on the bank. Grab your line. All right, set him down. There he is. That's what I'm talking about. All right, set him down. All right, let's see if we can get the hook out now.
On over here.
Hook out for you. Perfect, dude. All right. Whew. Now we got to trade. Hold on to him tight. Grab him by the lip. Hold him tight. Got to watch out here. This will get you. So you watch that. Look at that, man. Heck yeah, dude. First one, man. First bass. I can see the adrenaline running. Here, let me get a couple pictures with my phone. Well, we did what we came to do. Eric got his first bass on video. It's recording too. Look at that. Recording. Cool, man. Good job, dude. I remember my first bass. It was a big one. That was a good sized little bass though, man. You did good. I could see your line moving. And you'll probably see it on the video. I could see your line moving, but I didn't know what was going on. I figured a bass probably had it, man. Awesome.
I was assuming he was going to let go after like a second or two.
Yeah. I could see the adrenaline start to pump when you got him. That's the fun of it, man. It'll get the adrenaline going a little bit. Cool. All right, we're back again. It's the next day. We're going to see if we can get Eric on a snook. We'll see what happens. All right, this way. Cast over into there. Try to cast across that way. Watch out for the trees. See if you can get anything over there. There you go. Reel it in. All right, you want to try one more spot and then we'll head back? We'll try one more spot. There he is. Got something. Got a little bass. He was fighting a little bit. Not bad. A little smaller than the one that you caught. Hell yeah.
All right.
Not very big, but it's sexy.
Still a fish.
Here, walk him down there for me.
Right.
I just don't want to throw him from this far. Give him a toss. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Woo. All right, well, I tried to get us a snook. Tried to get Eric a snook. Didn't work out. This is Eric. So I got a bass, little one. The one he got is much bigger than the one that I got. Maybe next time. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.